Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to duplicate your docs on ClickUps. Maybe you want a duplicate copy on ClickUps, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can duplicate your doc on ClickUp. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your Clickup application, you'll be directed to your home page. And as you can see, here is the notification icon, search icon, and then these dotted icons. In here, to duplicate your document on ClickUp, tap on these three lines at the upper left corner of your screen. Once you tap it, there will be a side panel will appear. You'll see here the home, notifications, favorites, spaces, dashboards, and docs. In here, to document your docs, simply tap on this docs. And below that, tap on this all. And then in here, you will see all your new doc. In here, to duplicate a doc, simply choose a doc that you want to duplicate. For example, this new doc. Simply tap on this three dots icon beside it. And as you can see in here, there will be an option to duplicate. Simply tap on this duplicate. And as you can see, here is the copy of the new doc. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to duplicate document on ClickUps, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can duplicate your document on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.